car's evaporative emission control system, also known as EVAP, contains a purge solenoid that is normally located between the intake manifold and the containment canister that stores fuel vapor. Both are located in the vacuum line. You can operate the purge valve either mechanically or electrically. The purge valve must open at the correct time to allow the fuel vapors to exit the containment canister and enter the intake manifold. The vapors burn up once they enter the intake manifold. Most modern vehicles have a computer in their engine that controls the purge valve. When you turn off the engine, this purge valve solenoid closes. Why is this device required? Because gasoline contains more than 150 hazardous chemicals. Long-term exposure to fumes can cause dizziness, headaches, and breathing problems, and it can be fatal. To reduce vapors, new laws require technology such as the purge valve solenoid. If the solenoid fails, vapor and emissions will be released uncontrollably. Watch the video to learn the early warning signs of a faulty vapor canister purge valve and how much a replacement will cost. It's Max the Car Guy. Subscribe and let's get started. Rough idling. When there is a problem with the purge valve or charcoal canister, your car will idle at a lower RPM than usual. This is known as a rough idle, and if it is too low, it will cause the car to shake or even cause the engine to die. A vacuum leak will form if the purge valve or canister fails completely and sticks out in the open. This will have a significant impact on the quality and speed with which the engine idles. A vacuum leak will also form if the solenoid valve or any of the hoses connected to it sustains damage. Poor fuel economy. Fuel will be used inefficiently because the vapors produced by your vehicle during the combustion process are instead vented into the atmosphere. This will result in lower gas mileage than you are accustomed to. Hard to start. If you're having trouble starting your car, it could be due to a faulty purge valve or containment canister. A vacuum leak, as before, may form, making it even more difficult to start your vehicle. Furthermore, a leaking vacuum hose will not be able to keep unmetered air from the outside from entering the engine. This will eventually cause issues with the air-to-fuel ratio. Your vehicle's performance will suffer as a result. Check engine light. Finally, if the purge valve is damaged, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard. When this valve is damaged, the engine's computer will be able to tell because its sensors will be unable to pick up the signal that it normally does. When this happens, the computer illuminates the check engine light to alert you that there is a problem somewhere in the engine. Of course, there are numerous causes for a check engine light to illuminate, but one possibility is engine code P0496. You won't know why it's on until you or a mechanic scans the vehicle for any stored trouble codes. The fault code will assist in determining the true cause of the problem, whether it is purge valve related or something completely different. Replacement cost. Replacing a canister purge solenoid is a relatively simple and inexpensive repair. Expect to pay between $80 and $200 in total. The part will typically cost between $30 and $120, with labor costs ranging between $50 and $80. Of course, fees and taxes are added to this price as well. You can save a few dollars on labor by replacing the purge valve yourself. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.